Konnichiwa guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your Shini Sensei. Let's learn vocabulary chapter 7. Let's start. Hajime masho. Kirimasu, cut, slice. Okurimasu, send. Agemasu, give. Moraimasu, receive. Kashimasu, lend. Karimasu, borrow. Oshiemasu, teach. Naraimasu, learn. Kakemasu, denwa o kakemasu, make a telephone call. Te, hand, arm. Hashi, chopstick. Suppun, spoon. Knifeu, knife. Forku, fork. Hasami, scissors. Fakusu, fax. Vapuro, word processor. Pasokon, personal computer. Panchi, punch machine. Hochikisu, stapler. Keshigomu, eraser. Sero, tepu, scotch tape. Kami, paper. Hana, flower, blossom. Shatsu, shirt. Purezento, present, gift. Nimotsu, baggage, parcel. Okani, money. Kippu, ticket. Kurisumasu, Christmas. Chichi, my father. Haha, my mother. Oto-san, someone else's father. Oka-san, someone else's mother. Mo, already. Mada, not yet. Korekara, from now on, soon. Sitteki desne, water nice. Gomen kudasai, excuse me or may I come in? Irashai, how nice of you to come. Dozo o agari kudasai, do come in. Shishuri shimasu, thank you or may I. Wa ikaga desu ka, would you like to have dash? Itadakimasu, thank you or I accept. Ryoko or ryoko oshimasu, trip, tour. Omiyage, souvenir, present. Please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Mata ne.